हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन प्रीवियस क्लास में हमने आपको पढ़ाया था और आज हमारा मेन टॉपिक है ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन। Hybridization, by using the hybridization technique, we have developed a large varieties of crops. We got the different qualities or better quality of seeds. Suppose if we wanted better production, then we choose a high yielding variety, but at the same time other plant which is having low yielding variety but it is a disease resistant. So we have gone for pollination with high yielding variety and high resistant varieties of plant, so that the seed we could get have high yield and better disease resistant. आज हमारा टॉपिक है ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन। से ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन last 30 years this country has seen this. एक समय था before 30 years we were suffering for the food. We were not having sufficient production of food in India, although our population was less. But today we are the second most largest population of the world, but at the same time our food grain production is also equally high. We are able to feed complete country with our own production, apart from we export it. Our production has increased in last 30 years tremendously. It happens due to the very good quality of seeds, cereals, that is wheat, we got from Mexico, imported from Mexico. They have contributed a lot. The seed plant has got the production of wheat crop in India during last 30 years. It has made the country self-sufficient in food grain production. It has improved the condition of farmers. The green revolution came due to importing the high quality of varieties of wheat from Mexico. Besides high yielding, the plant were smaller and better, smaller and stronger and give better response to the fertilizers. So plants were smaller in size, better yield, giving better response to the fertilizer and stronger also. So the children, our scientists also has contributed a lot. Different agricultural universities undergone for the hybridization. They have made a large quantity of seeds like maize, hybrid seeds, maize, sugarcane, and many other grains like paddy. We have got that, so that we are getting the better yield and better production. These plants gives better response to the fertilizers and they are disease resistant too. So these things has contributed a lot in the green revolution. Now, what is the animal husbandry? It is a science which deals with the breeding, seeding and caring of domestic animals. Breeding, seeding and caring of domestic animals. Here in animal husbandry field also, we have improved a lot. Hybrid varieties of animals, we have imported it. We have different varieties of animal like Friesians, cows, which may give 50 liters or 60 liters of milk, 40 liters of milk, as compared to the old one having 2 to 3 liters of milk. So we become self-sufficient and much surplus in the field of the milk production also. That is in animal husbandry. So the improvement of that has contributed immensely to the farmers, to the farmer who were domesticating the animals, domestic animals. Now next comes poultry farming. What is a poultry farming now here? In poultry farming also, it is a science which deals with the rearing, breeding, feeding of poultries for the sake of meat and egg. Our production has increased a lot in the case of hen, egg. We are one of the leading producers. So again, in the case of poultry farming front also we are leading, we have developed revolution. Nations have undergone revolution. Then pisciculture, it is farming of fish in the nurseries, that is called hatcheries. Now, improving the fish qualities, disease resistant fish. So we have started our pisciculture also. Here the fish are being hatched. The farming of fish in the nurseries or hatcheries are called pisciculture. Here we deal with the fish, rearing of fish and fish production. So children, we have improved a lot, and this all contributed to the green revolution. Now let me talk regarding that. What are the questions you will do that? Homework. Question number 1. Explain the green revolution. This is another question. Name the country which helped us in green revolution. And all. Question number 3. Write notes on animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. What is it? Pisciculture. What we have gained from green revolution. Okay, children, this question and answer, all question answer you will be writing, but at the same time, this chapter I am completing. It is announcement of completion of chapter. And it is page number 20. Today's class, page number 20, day 15, page number 20, date?
8.
Huh?
8.
Date?
8.
Huh?
8/6.
8/6/20. So now, please do all. Do not hesitate, ask us. Today we will meet you in Google Meet. Thank you.